include this already. And tama ka Kuya Robs, galing kaming shoot. Parang kami nasa portal minsan. Papasok kami, magiging Cisco, Cheska, tapos lalabas. Ngayon kailangan namin nag-promote and then babalik sa portal. So, you know, it's a lot of mixed emotions seeing this. And I'm just glad that we get to spend it with this whole cast and everyone here sa press who's been very supportive throughout me and Belle's journey, you know, all these years.
How about you, Belle? You're getting emotional.
Hindi.
Are you
Wala pa. Hindi pa
Okay,
tayo.
wala pa.
Mamaya.
Wala pa.
Siguro watching it, parang sabi ko, oh my God, manghirap kumalas. Even after siguro matapos namin i-film tong movie, ang hirap kumalas, you know? But seeing it now, I'm just very excited talaga na mapanood lahat and makita nila yung story ni Cisco and ni Cheska.
Yes, Direk? Oh, Direk is gonna say something.
Ako po talaga naatasa mag-react, sabi ko ayoko. But after watching, sabi ko ang damot ng trailer.
In what sense,
There is
Direk?
so much more in this film than meets the eye. Yung nakita nyo, sobrang ang damot talaga na parang patikim, and yet, naramdaman ko, di ba? Naramdaman ko kung ano yung gusto namin sabihin. But, yun lang, parang hindi nga to trailer para sa akin, para siyang teaser. Kasi talagang tinitease kayo kasi there is so much more to film.
Direk, gusto niyo kausapin natin yung mga...
Hindi ka
gumawa ng
kasali sa
trailer?
usapan.
Ang tawag natin, ba't ang damot niyo raw?
Ay, nako, another discussion.
No, but a beautiful trailer at that, no? Kasi, biruin mo wala kang binigay and yet, you felt something. Ay, that's worth something.
Yeah. Miss Van, I was gonna ask you, sabi ni Miss Van, ako na naman. No, really, how does it feel na your creation is now coming to life? And now nakita natin yung trailer for that. Is this big project of Star Cinema.
Nung sinabi mong creation, ano yung creation? Ang tumatak sa isip ko nung sinabi mong creation, silang dalawa. Kasi they began with me. And in a way, di ba, their journey as a love team is coming to a pause. I don't want to say an end kasi for now, di ba? So, ang saya ng feeling na kasama nila ako dito sa stop na to. Kasi nga, sa akin sila nagsimula. So, sabi ko nga, kaming tatlo rin pala sa wakas. Tayong tatlo rin pala sa wakas. So,
Full circle.
natutuwa ako nung nakikita ko talaga yung trailer kasi ang laki ng pinabago nila mula nung una ko sila nakasama. And yun, so sana po talaga panoorin nyo kasi ibang Donnie at Belle ang mapapanood nyo at para sa mga fans sila, super mapaproud kayo sa kanilang dalawa. Hindi sayang lahat ng panahon, lahat ng pagmamahal, lahat ng effort na binigay nyo para dito sa dalawang pinakamamahal idol. So yun, nakakatuwa lang na nakita ko sila, ibang-iba sila.
Yes, Jonas.
Gusto ko lang idagdag yung road trip nila with Miss Van. Yung journey nila with Miss Van. Para talaga, nagmamatch.
Man, saktong-sakto. Pun intended.
Eh, direct ko lang nasabi kanina.
Kaya pala gusto ng tissue ni Direk kasi hindi ko alam kung anong klase emotion, tatawa ba, iiyak, yung mararamdaman, all sorts maybe in this film, no? But just like what Miss Friends said a while ago, you guys started. And easy to her.
At sino nag-host ng media con namin?
I did that. I did that via Zoom.
Via Zoom,
Salamat kay Robby,
yes!
And now, yung big announcement niya that this probably might be the last project for now of Donnie and Belle. We're here again. So, full circle moment for everyone involved in this media launch. So, without further ado, you guys ready for the Q&A? It felt like a pageant. So,